Reviews of iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 is a smartphone released by Apple in 2020. It comes in 4 different models: the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 has a new ceramic shield front cover, and a 14 bionic chip, and 5G capability. It also features a dual camera system, a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, and a ceramic shield front cover, improved water and dust resistance, and a new MagSafe technology for easier wireless charging and attachments. Overall, reviewers generally praised the iPhone 12 for its improved performance, fast 5G connectivity, and an excellent camera system. The A14 Bionic chip is considered as one of the fastest processors in the industry, providing smooth and efficient performance. The ceramic shield front cover is said to provide improved durability and drop protection. The new MagSafe technology is considered a convenient and innovative addition to the iPhone. The camera system has also received positive reviews, with many praising the improved low-light performance and the new night mode feature. The design of the phone is considered modern, sleek and refined. However, some reviewers did express some criticism of the iPhone 12, such as the removal of the charger and earphones from the box, and the high cost of the device, especially when compared to the competition. It's worth noting that the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max models have even more advanced camera system with triple lens and lidar scanner, that makes them more suited for professional photographers and videographers. The mini model is smaller in size and lower in price but still has most of the features as the standard iPhone 12. Overall, the iPhone 12 is considered a solid and powerful smartphone with a good combination of performance, features and design, but it's up to you to decide if it fits your specific needs and budget.